Welcome to this professional road sign recognition quiz, focused on the 40 most failed signs in driving tests. In each round, you'll be presented with two similar-looking signs, but only one is correct. Your task is to identify the right sign based on its official meaning. Whether you're a beginner preparing for your driving test or an experienced driver refreshing your knowledge, this quiz is designed to sharpen your awareness and boost your confidence on the road. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more expert driving content. Let's get started. Which one is the road narrows sign? Can you spot the divided highway begins sign? Which sign means no waiting? Pick the correct turn right sign. Which of these is the roundabout sign? Can you tell which one is keep left? Identify the one-way street sign. Which option shows the keep left sign correctly? Find the sign for roadworks ahead. Which symbol indicates no U-turn? Point out the railroad crossing ahead sign. Can you recognize the pedestrian crossing sign? Which one warns of a steep descent? Choose the no entry sign. Which sign shows bicycle crossing ahead? Identify the Y intersection from these signs. Which one marks the truck route? Which sign means stop ahead? Spot the warning for steep ascent. Which image shows a narrow bridge ahead? Pick the hospital sign. Can you select the added right lane sign? Which one warns of deer crossing? Which sign means level crossing with gates ahead? Can you identify the deer area sign? Can you identify the crossroad sign? Which sign signals slippery when wet? Point out the uneven surface warning. Which sign shows a curve with a side road to the right? Identify the side road left sign. Which one represents two-way traffic? Can you spot the U.S. route marker, 2 digits? Which one is the no stopping sign? Which image is the T intersection warning? Choose the turn left sign. Which symbol means motor vehicles are prohibited? Which of these is the watch for fallen rock sign? Select the divided highway end sign. Which one is the merge left warning? Can you identify the end of dual carriageway sign? And that's a wrap on our 40 sign road recognition quiz. We hope it helped sharpen your road sign skills. If you enjoyed the challenge, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more driving tips and quizzes. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.